Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. In this video, we will discuss about in Fabric, how we can able to connect the Azure DevOps and how to set up and how to implement the CI/CD. We will discuss in detailed manner. Okay, in this video, we'll completely focusing on how to set up the Azure DevOps and how to create the repository, then how to make the connection your Azure DevOps to Fabric. Everything we'll discuss step by step. Now you can see here, this is the Fabric workspace. You can see here we have three workspaces are there. Currently we are in LMS data development workspace. Okay, here we have a couple of notebooks, couple of lakehouses, and SQL analytics endpoint and pipelines, semantic model, reporting, everything is there. Okay, now how we can implement the CI and CD. Okay, what is the CI CD? First, we need to understand what's the CI CD. Okay, just you can see here, CI is nothing but continuous integration. CD is nothing but continuous delivery or deployment. Okay, here in every any software development, we should be use the CI CD for build for build our project, and we should be do our testing and also deploy our code from one environment to another environment. It will enabling faster and more reliable software releases. Okay, that's the reason definitely we're supposed to be use any project CI/CD. Okay, here CI is nothing but continuous integration. Means in dev workspace, if you configure your repository from the DevOps, then whatever code we have designed in the dev workspace, inside the repository is a default create one main branch. One main branch. The main branch, we should expect all the development code will be stored into our main branch. Later, for example, in your project, maybe two developers or three developers, maybe 10 developers are there. They want to do their work parallelly. Then what they will do? On top of your main branch, we can create we can create future branch. We can call the child branch, we can call the sub branch, or we can call the future branch. When you create a future branch top of your main branch, here whatever code inside your main branch, all the code will copy and paste into your future branch. Okay, then what we need to do here, we can able to update the code, we can able to create the new code, you can insert the code, or if unwanted data, you can able to delete the code. Means DDL, DML operations you can perform in the future branch. Once the development is done, then what you need to do with the help of the Azure DevOps pull request, first you need to commit and move all our changes to your main branch. To main branch. Okay. With the help of the pull request, admin team or infra team or DevOps team, they will check you whatever you update the code is valid or not. They will check and they provide the approval for moving the changes from future branch to main branch. Here you will get the updated code. Means in the main branch we have to use for latest updated data or code should keep into the main branch. Once we have the main branch, the code, we should be do the commit and update all the changes to your dev workspace. This is CI steps. We have to create when you create the repository, default main branch will be created. When you assigning your repository to respective workspace in workspace level, then in the workspace, what are the you did the development? It might be notebooks, pipelines, semantic model, the report, lake houses, whatever. Everything will be saved into your main branch. Then in top of that, you can create the future branches. Whatever changes you want to do, you can do it with the help of the Azure DevOps pull request. You can move the changes from future branch to main branch. Then we should expect latest code are available in your dev workspace. This is continuous integration. This is first we need to understand in this video. For that, what we need to do? We need to create the, okay, we need to first set up the Azure DevOps. Okay, let me go back. Okay, first we have to go Azure DevOps. We have to set up the, we have to go Azure DevOps. Sorry, let me clear everything in the draw. Okay, now you can see Azure DevOps. Okay, then we should create the organization here. Organization, inside the organization, we should create the project. Inside the project, we should create the repo. When you create the repo, main branch will be created. Then this repository we should assign to your Fabric workspace. Okay, step by step, we'll implement it. First, if you open the Fabric here, okay, then what we need to do, first we have to go to the Azure portal. In Azure portal, what we can do, just go search for, just search the DevOps. When you search DevOps, you can see Azure DevOps organization is available. Choose Azure DevOps organization and click view my organizations, because inside the Azure DevOps, we should create one organization. Inside the organization, we can able to create number of projects. We can able to create number of projects. Here you can see, here you will get the drop down, few options are available. One is a Microsoft account, second is the default directory. Okay, sometimes it will defaultly show the Microsoft account. Okay, it default show Microsoft account, then don't go Microsoft account. Why? Because already we created by using of this mail ID, said default account is created. Okay, then by using of the default account, we can use it for creation of the organization. You can see Microsoft account, sometimes it will show as a default. Then drop down, choose default directory. Choose default directory and sign in with respect to mail ID. Sign in with respect to mail ID. Then it will take the few seconds. Then it will ask, you want to create an organization? Yes. Okay, let me go to this default directory. Here I have two default directories, but in your DevOps, you should expect only one default directory only. Okay, now the default directory, you should expect number of organizations. But here you can see in my default account, here I have two default directories are there. In your account, you will expect only one default directory. Just create new organization. Go to new organization, just continue it, and here you can give the name like a Fabric CICD. Okay, just and choose country. Currently, I'm staying in India. This name already took. Just I can give some numbers for uniqueness and pay as you go. Concept to subscription, and you can give the R authentication 5GL. Just try to continue it. Okay, it would take maybe 10 to 15 seconds of the time for creation of your organization. Now see, your organization has been created. Inside the organization, you're supposed to create the project. Let me give the what is your project here? See, LMS data development. Development. Just create your project. Create your project. Once project is created, Then you can able to see here boards, repos, pipelines, test plans, artifacts. You can able to see. Okay. Next, what we need to do here mainly we have when we discuss CI continuous integration, we should code repos. In the repos, if you monitor, if you observe, you can see the default repository is created as per your project name. Then here, just go to new repository here. Just provide your repository name. Provide your repository name. Let me give the fabric dev CI. Okay. Now see, when you create the repository, default main branch will be created. As we discussed, just create it. Now see here, fabric dev CI repository is created. Okay, great. Now you can go to your fabric here. Go to your fabric. Now in your fabric, this is our workspace. Okay, let me go to workspace settings. Workspace settings. Then let's rename the workspace name properly. Okay, this workspace name. Then you can see Git integration option is there. Go Git integration, choose Azure DevOps, and just connect it. Just connect it. Okay. Now if you drop down here, actually we have few more organizations are there. There's a reason you can see one project name, one organization. But here you can see in Azure DevOps, what is your organization name? Fabric CICD 987 is our organization. But in Fabric level, are you able to see that organization? No. The reason behind is in your DevOps, go to organization settings here. Organization settings. Then you can go to users. Here we have only one user, that is this your portal mail ID. You can see this user. But if you go to the fabric, what's the mail ID? Fabric mail ID is see fabric5 at the rate your tenant ID. Because the mail IDs are different. That is the reason in this your organization you cannot able to see in the fabric. Then how you can able to see? Very simple. Just copy your mail ID. You have to add user. You can choose add user. Just provide your username mail ID. User mail ID. Click it. Then access level. You can drop down a basic and add project. Here in your organization, we have only one project, that is LMS data development. Choose that workspace. Sorry, that project. Then here you can see Azure DevOps groups. Here you can go project administrator, because administrator is a high level access. You can do whatever. You can add it, delete it, change it, whatever changes you can do. Just add it. Just add it. Just add it. What happened? View all. More details failed. You're trying to invite a user from outside your directory, but the security settings organization does not allow it. Why? Dismiss all. Just add it. Here you can go fabric 5. Just add it. Let me do one thing. Go here. Just copy this one and go to settings. Paste your fabric mail ID 5. Okay. And basic and project, you can choose your project. And administrator. Add it. Again, it's got in the fail, dismiss all. Okay, then what we can do? Actually, we need to check this fabric other fabric 5 mail ID. We have the access here. Let me go to your Android ID here. No need to panic it. Just go to Android ID. Go to the users. Go to the users. Then you can see Fabric 5. Yeah, is the Fabric 5 opened? This is your Fabric 5. Go to DevOps, add user. Okay, we need to verify it. Okay, why it's getting error means you should go to the Entra, Microsoft Entra. Then here you should get the tenant ID. Okay, we have to verify it. Okay, this is the tenant ID. How you will get the tenant ID? If you go here, if you mouse over on it, okay, mouse over on it. Now you can see here the tenanted domain. You can see manikantharao.gopal@gmail.on.microsoft.com. That is, you should keep here. Then only the issue will fix it. Now let's go to users. Go to add user. Add user. Just write the fabric file. Now you can see fabric file. Then I'm using basic level access and let me choose the project and let me go administrator. Okay, yeah, add it. Now we can see it's adding to user. You can see, fabric file at the rate of this mail you can see. Okay, this is the basic level and last access never. Okay, this is we have manage users. You can see top level access we have given. Perfect. Then go to your fabric and go to fabric workspace and go to the Git integration. And what we need to do is what we need to do is just you can go organization. Now you can see your organization name. Then see the project folder. You can see your project name. Inside the project, if you see here, okay, if you go here, just to go to your project level and go to the repo. And here just go and actually I need to recreate uh, fabric dev ci. The main branch will be created automatically as we discussed. Let me create the new repository fabric dev ci. Okay, then go to here. Okay, then get repo, choose your repository, then go to the branches. Okay, here is any possible refresh it, or let me do one thing, let me close everything again, just refresh it, go to workspace settings again, go to Git integration, DevOps, connect, and organization. If you scroll down, this is your organization and project, and you can see two repos are there. You can choose the fabric dev ci, and inside you can see branch, main branch. Okay, folder, you want to give any folder, you can give it. Let me give the fabric workspace. Okay, now this folder, just connect and sync it. Guys need to understand before connect and sync. If you see DevOps in this repository, the main branch, you can see there is any folders, everything is empty. Okay, let me do connect and sync it. Let me do connect and sync it. Now you will, yeah, yeah, create and sync it. Okay, it's connecting to Git repository. Now you will get, see here, you get source control and also you can see Git status, syncing everything. Now you can see here, you can wait for 1 or or 1 minute, less than 1 minute, you will expect one folder. Inside the folder, you will expect all the notebooks, pipelines, semantic model reporting, everything you can able to see. Everything you can able to see. Okay, you can able we have to wait. We have to go to Fabric. Now you see everything is synced, right? Now you can source control also option is available. Go here. Just you can go to commit and you can go to the files. Now you can see the Fabric WS folder created. Inside you can see everything code you can see. These are the this is the pipeline. This is the notebook like this you can see. If you want to go here, just go to the PY, you can see the code will be generated. Whatever the notebook level you written the code, everything you can able to see. Okay, now like this, we have to set up our repository into our respective workspace level. Okay, now here first we need to understand what is the main branch and how to create the future branch, how we can commit, how we can do pull request, everything we'll discuss. Okay, now in your DevOps, we have the main branch, we have update latest code you can see. Next, what we can do, go to the Fabric and you can go to source control, choose the button. Then you can see one pop-up, you will get it. Okay, now then go to this repo and you can see main branch, right? If you drop down, branch out to workspace means you want to create a new branch. Yes, I want to create one new branch that's called future. We can call it. Just branch out it. Then what is your new branch name? Like I will call the future branch underscore money. Okay, this is my future branch name. Top of your main branch. Do you want to create a new workspace? Yes, I want to create one new workspace. Then I can give the LMS data development money. Just this is my temporary workspace. Okay, now then just what you need to do. Just we have to do branch out it. That's it. Branch out it. Then what will happen? It will create one new workspace. Inside the workspace, your future branch will be created. Whatever your main branch level, whatever the code you have, that code will be saved into your future branch. And all your development should be copied and pasted into your future branch in new workspace level. Okay, now this is step we need to follow. Now we can see LMS data dev money. This workspace has been created. And also all the notebooks, pipeline, semantic model report, everything you will get it here. Everything you will get it here. Okay. Just you need to wait. Now see, everything is syncing. You can see syncing means whatever you have the main, whatever your main dev workspace level, what is the code you develop, everything it will be copy and paste into your future workspace and future branch. Okay. Now if you select this one, you can able to see your future branch name. You can able to see your future branch name. Everything syncing. And also, if you go here, let me go to branches in your DevOps, choose all. You can see future branch underscore money also created. If you open this one, see the folder is created. Inside the folder, see pipelines, notebooks, lake houses, semantic model report, everything you can able to see. Okay, now everything is, it will sync it. Go to your Fabric. Now still it is copying the code, notebooks, everything and paste into your future workspace. Now see everything is synced. Okay. Now here what we need to understand is if you go to the workspace folder, this is your development workspace. This is your personal workspace syncing your future branch. Now what we need to do? For example, I want to create one notebook. Go here, new item. This is Guys, need to remember this is your dummy workspace connecting with future branch. Which future branch? Your future branch. Then go to the new item. Let me open one notebook. Let me give the testing notebook. Okay, na test notebook. I want to keep into my dummy workspace. Just create it. Just create it. Then here the notebook is will be opened. Then just you can write the print welcome to mastering CICD. Okay, just the code. Okay, now then what we need to do? Just it will be automatically save it. Okay. Okay, so I don't want to create any copy. Just the notebook is created. And also what we can do is just go to your workspace level, your dummy workspace level. Here we created one testing notebook. If you go extreme bottom, you can see testing notebook created. See source one because one new change has happened into your feature branch. Let me create one more. Let me create one pipeline also. Let me go to pipeline. Here I will write the testing pipeline. Okay, now just create it. Just create it. Now pipeline will be opened. Then for testing purpose, what we can do, go to the activities, take one dummy activity. Let me go wait activity. Just choose wait activity here. That's it. Go here, save it. Now, if you see your dummy workspace in the future branch level, you did two changes. One is created the notebook, second is created the pipeline. But see, it's uncommitted. Uncommitted means if you go to DevOps, if you see this is your future branch. This is your future branch, correct? But here you can see what see money testing notebook, money testing pipeline. Let me see here. You can able to see everything. Let me refresh it. Okay, now you can see money testing notebook, money testing pipeline is there. But if you see the status, uncommitted means what? Whatever you did the changes, you should be to commit. Commit is nothing but saving changes into your future branch. Select all, just commit. Is nothing but saving whatever you did the changes into your future branch. Okay, now future branch. But need to understand your main branch in your dev workspace. There is no the two. One is pipeline, one is the notebook is not available. You can see here. Actually, maybe is existing. We have this. See, in money testing notebook. But if you go to the future branch, here you can see testing notebook. These two are available, and the two are available. Testing notebook, testing pipeline. But if you go to your main branch, there is no any testing pipeline, testing notebook. It is the money underscore testing underscore notebook, money underscore testing underscore pipeline. But these are different. Now, what we need to understand in your future branch level, you did the changes. The changes should be need to what? You should be affected into your main branch. Then what you need to do? In a workspace level, your main workspace level, you should be apply whatever you did the changes in the future branch, the changes should be applied into here. Then go to your Azure DevOps, go to the branches, okay, go to the pull request here first. In the pull request, create a new pull request. Then you can see here you can see the drop down, you can change whatever you want. The future branch money and main branch means whatever you did the changes should be moved to your main branch. You can see files as you can observe. See the testing notebook and also you can see testing pipeline. everything is the changes are available. Okay, now then commit. Okay, let me go overview. Just you can reviewers and if here I can give the fabric fry. Okay, now just here whatever you did changes, everything you can write it like a need to apply the changes from future branch to main branch. One is added testing pipeline. Second one is added testing notebook. These two we should move from future branch to main branch. Okay, na? Then just create it. This is pull request we can call it. Okay. When you call the pull request, whatever you provide the mail IDs will get the notification. Then what we need to do, they will be do approval. When you got the approval, you can do complete it. When you click the complete, you can see delete feature branch from matching. The reason behind in the feature branch, whatever the changes were moving into main branch, right? Then once you move the changes feature branch to main branch, both are in feature branch, whatever data you have, same data you can expect in main branch. Then why you need to keep all two branches not required, right? That's the reason feature branch you can eliminate it and main branch will store the latest data. Just complete the page. Oh, my bad. Actually, I didn't remove that feature branch. I unselect that button. Okay. Or let me see an option. Okay. Delete source branch. Yes, I want to delete the source branch. Okay. That's it. Now pull request is completed. Then you have to go to fabric and go to your main workspace here. Main workspace. Then here you can are able to see testing notebook, testing pipeline. No, you didn't get it. Okay. Na? Just you need to refresh it. This one. You need to refresh it. Okay. Or you can go DevOps here. Okay. You can see Fabric. Two source control 2 is available. When you done the pull request also, you're not able to see testing notebook and testing pipeline. Why? Because of you should be update the changes. Click the source control, then see update to all. This new items are adding into your main workspace. Just update all. When you hit the update all, then these two changes will be added into your main workspace level. This is called CI, continuous integration. This is called continuous integration. Next video will understand continuous delivery, deploy or continuous deployment or continuous development. That is, we'll discuss in the next video. Thanks for watching. Good day, guys.